That's a Toyota. We in Jamaica, man. Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. Oh my God. Yes, sir. Ooh, I'm glistening. Later. We done made it. We done made it in the car.
Go to like a central nice where you get both.
I want a good food.
Not the tourist, like real.
Yeah, the real.
Take us where you go.
Yeah. When you clock out.
So you clock out and go home. Take us over there.
Because don't hold these are river.
So yeah, y'all, we about to hit the streets. I'm tired. We had
But like
time
a
mountain.
beautiful beach, like beautiful.
Beach I know of, This ain't the same. It's hard favorites.
This ain't the same song.
No,
That's the boat.
I'm not sure the rest.
it's 2 sons in one.
And we got a sunroof, y'all. We got windows in the back. This is good, man. We need these in America.
Hey, be quiet, listen to him while we trying to
I'm not sure the restaurant is open.
That's cute, that's cute.
Say, boat. Alright, y'all, we done made it right here to the seafood restaurant. It's gonna hear me. And I'm about to eat some food. I'm about to eat some fried fish. You know, that's what I need. Look at it. Over here. Don't try to get me to come in there. Oh, we're gonna start. Oh, that ain't even our haircuts. Oh, okay. All right now. I see y'all in here. How you doing? I see y'all. And then they over there washing your cars. Look, this is the perfect setup. Come here to get your haircut. Yes. Get some food and get your car clean and pull off, go to the beach. That's what we about to do. You already know that's what we about to do. Come on. Yep, let me get my fish. Let me get my order right. One fish. Is it whole fish or is it fish fillet?
No, all fish.
It's whole fish? Okay, yeah.
Natural fish.
Yeah, give me that. Give me one whole fish. One whole fish. I might. Mama, do you want a fish? Yeah, she do. Give my mama a fish because she's gonna eat fish. Fake vegetarian self. My mama is such a fake vegetarian, y'all.
I don't know.
So I'm gonna go ahead and order her fish. Look how she in a Jamaica. What you got to say about your mama?
That's what I look for.
Okay, go do what you need to do. Ooh, he got the church.
It's always not the wrong thing. It's always not the wrong
She
thing.
always go with the wrong
What
word.
happened to Idris?
Idris, we're gonna get Idris. Don't worry about that. Stay tuned. That first time.
We can't cook without this.
No, tell him.
Yeah, we can't cook without this.
Need
It's
it.
called time. Can't cook without this.
Delicious.
And these guys don't like buying this
Cute.
up.
Yes. I'm giving my whole life out here right now. I'm telling you. I'm about to and not go back home.
I would live here.
Family, let's go. Wrap
On
it
that
up.
side.
Wrap it up. Yeah. Wrap it up. We're doing what we need to do. I'm living.
Right.
Y'all, we were getting impatient with our food. Just a little bit, but they were more so. We're just ready to like keep the day going. You know what I'm saying? And here he is with our food. Look at him. Yay! Out here on the beach, y'all. Out here on the beach.
It's a big driver.
Oh my goodness. You got
Want to make sure I brought enough so you guys might want to taste it.
Yeah, we got rice and
and
peas.
Right, so you want to taste the rice and peas. It's right there too. Alright. Jerk fish. You got rough. Alright. So I've got 2 fishes. I'll show you guys the best part. 4 fish. That's 3. Alright. And then, apart from the rice and beans, you guys plantains. Right, it's hot, it's hot. It's hot. Jamaica, bro. Alright. Just be safe.
Real Jamaican.
But that bad.
You don't recommend?
And 3, 2, 1, go.
Raven.
The flavor.
It had a bite to
Bitch, it was hard. It was hard. I can't do it. Where's
Eat
that?
the other one.
I'm not. Welcome to Vibes River. All right. Look what I made it to. Look what I made it to.
Before y'all go, you gotta get them like $10.
You know what I'm saying? I'd have a good time. I can't jump in there because my boots gonna come all the way out. Up, flop, slap me in the face, flop back down in the water. Up, flop, slap me in the face, flop back down in the water. I'm just choking. I'm gonna rinse myself off. So let's make our way. Yeah, I'm scared.
Try this one.
I like that.
$5 is too much. You have to rent the umbrella, you have to rent the chair. You know, and it's
Hey, baby. Oh, where you going, chicken baby? I'ma find you. I'ma find a chicken baby, y'all. Chicken babies. Y'all, this is super cute in here. Look.
Right here, picture.
Picture time.
Okay, go ahead.